Paper.
Elmo.
Elmo, and who else?
Paper.
Come here.
Evan's room. Kristen's room. Whose room is that? Whose room is this? Mommy's room? Whoa. What's that? What's your name? What's your name? Tell Kristen what your name is. She doesn't know it. What's your name?
Who's this? Who's this?
Person.
Who's that?
Mommy.
Who's that?
Infant.